What I love about this product is that it's boil and bite. It's customizable to your mouth. It fits to your mouth. It's soft. And let's say I did try a different product that was out there on the market. I hated it, immediately got my money back. But I love this product, the VitalSleep mouth guard, because it's so customizable. It's slimline. It opens up my breathing for the night. And I don't even really notice it anymore. I had a couple nights of getting used to it, and now I love it. I'm a huge fan, and I've enjoyed having better rest during the night.